So here we are again on our second day at the Arboretum. Kid's getting a little tired. He wants me to walk. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out. We liked it so much that we ended up getting a family membership. So we're gonna come here a lot more. So here is the map of the Arboretum. And it's actually set up in different places. Like we have the Asia, Australia area. We are currently in this little area here. We're gonna go check it out. We saw the lake last time, and we're gonna go check out a little bit more of the top area there. So let's go check it out. How cool is this? We have a mama peahen. Little babies walking around there. Yeah, you like the little babies, huh?
Peacocks, huh? Yes? Oh, the pretty birds. Pretty birds.
Looking out for things for them to eat. Dad's just chilling. He's gonna let Mama do all the work. So I will say this, it's pretty hot today. Having to carry him around with this thing is kind of difficult, so we'll see how long we could actually do this before I go crazy. I'm gonna go the different way this time and see if we could find other things that we missed last time.
So I don't think we showed this actually.
The waterfall
last time we were here because it was turned off while we were coming around.
This is the entrance.
So it's about 80 degrees today, so that water looks wonderful right now.
I know, right?
There is a little breeze, but...
Yeah, like I was saying, I'm not sure how long I'll be able to do this. Might be a shorter day in the gardens today, but we'll see. I love the signage here. Like all these woods, all these trees, they actually have signage for the most part, tells you where they're from, the species name. I appreciate that. Oh look, this is milkweed. Milkweed I know because of Red Dead Redemption. It's used to make medicines and stuff like that. Check out this elephant foot tree. It does kind of look like an elephant foot, huh? I think that's kind of cool. Yeah, I love this. You got Mama, Daddy, and Baby.
It's like his legs are like fully out, extended.
It's like, yeah, it's a hot day. I'm just gonna chill on the log.
He's getting his tan. He's ready for summer.
It's like, it's a perfect combination of east meets west. Cause you got all the bamboo trees here, bamboo forest down this way, and then you got cactus here. That's kind of neat, I think. Ooh, look at the tunas are coming in. This will be ready soon. If you never had cactus fruit, that's it right there. You just gotta make sure you get all them prickly things off of it. They're called prickly pears. If you never had one, you're missing out. You walked right beneath that one. I'm surprised you walked. If I would have been walking the same trail you would have, it would have got me in that forehead.
the one benefit of being short.
Yeah. So we're gonna be heading down this way to the rose garden and herb garden, see what we can find. See if we get some better pictures.
Herb garden last time, but the camera died, so we didn't get anything of it. So we're gonna try to go back there, and I really want to see the rose garden and the waterfall again.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get a better footage of the waterfall this time around.
It's really small, but it reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. The villain, the Queen of Hearts.
The Queen.
All about like roses.
Yeah, she paints the roses red, or no?
Roses, doesn't she?
Well, no, they planted the wrong roses, so they're painting them red, so that she doesn't find out.
Well, if you look at the garden, it reminds me of that.
And well, they look like they were painted red. I see what you mean. It's starting to get a little hotter, but the smell here is so pretty.
I can't smell anything over my mask.
I can smell through it, but look at this.
Barely.
These are all orange groves. According to the sign I read back there, they grow and donate all the oranges here. So that's really nice of them. It usually goes to local food banks.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
This is the most restless I've seen him on the backpack. I think he's getting over it. It's gonna make me cry. This is my only source of staying healthy here.
So this is the herb garden.
I don't think we got this last time. Let's go through it.
So if you notice each area, there's an entrance and an exit, so everyone's walking in one direction and not crossing paths to each other.
Get the sign.
Yeah, there's also the practice social distancing sign, no group gatherings allowed.
There's a saying here.
There's also other pathways, but they block them so they could control the flow of traffic.
This is rosemary. It's like parsley almost.
I don't know.
It looks like it's parsley. Sage.
Oh, there's some steps over here.
Oh, we have to duck.
So I just walked easily under that, but he has to duck. Oh, both of you made it.
Oh, that's a good calf workout right there.
Okay, so let's go down this path here. This is actually more in the shade, so we're gonna skip the herb garden a little bit.
I think we still get a couple of herbs on this
Yeah,
side.
you kind of see it still. I feel like there's nobody here for a few feet, so I'm gonna take off my mask so I could breathe for a moment.
Oh yeah, me too. Guess I need some fresh air.
How you doing with the mask on?
It's definitely a lot more difficult with the backpack and the mask. It's manageable, but it's definitely taking a toll on me. I definitely feel a lot more exhausting.
And keep in mind it's 80 degrees out today, so
Have to.
you have that heat also. That's adding to everything.
So we'll see if we could do 3 miles today. We might not, but I'll be thankful for 2.
Ooh, look at that's pretty.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's like a wishing well that they turned into a planter. Really neat. Okay, I could hear the waterfall already. Do you see that? That's pretty neat, huh?
So that's it when we're here. We're here different times from what we turn off the waterfall. We're here a little late.
See the little turtle on the rock here. Little sunbathing turtle. Well, that's nice and calming.
Right? I wish there was more shade there. I could sit there.
I know.
And the waterfall.
So you could see the waterfall is right over here.
Water mech?
So it's right in the sun. So we don't want to stay too long in that area.
Look at the little hidden area. Go off the beaten path for a little bit.
He's gonna go off the beaten path. Nice little shade area for a quick stop.
A little break here.
Alright, how are you doing?
Tired.
I'm tired too. It's hot.
It is
but
warm.
with that kid, I can't imagine.
He's doing okay. Did we bring his water bottle?
I did. It's in my bag.
Okay. I just realized
Say
I don't
hi.
have it home. Say hi, Lucas.
Say hi.
He's getting a little restless. We'll probably stop by somewhere and come sit down. Come
Yeah,
run
he needs
around.
to run around a little bit.
I need to sit down for a little bit.
Yeah. Wow.
This looks like this is like the back end.
Oh, it's actually a nice, quiet trail. No one's coming this way. They're staying on the main.
On the main one, yeah.
Take our mask off for a second because there is nobody around us. So we could breathe for a moment. And I think Lucas is about ready for his nap, so he's falling asleep on Dad. Probably not going to hit as many things as we want to today, but it was nice to come back and kind of explore a little bit more.
Yeah.
And you could see Lucas is probably almost asleep. Lucas! Can you say hi? He's going to take a nap on Dad while we finish our walk back.
Redwood right here.
Oh yeah.
Huh. I'm wondering if this is like a sequoia here.
I don't think so, but it looks like one.
Dawn redwood. These are the redwoods from China. So they say I've heard that California might have been connected to China and Pangea, because you could find coastal redwoods in China and you could find them up north in California. It's cool that they have both of them here. This is the Dawn redwood from China. There's the coastal redwoods from redwoods up north. Cool, look at this cool little area they have here.
It looks like a little fence too. Keep
This
the
is
garden
some, like,
safe.
Naked
Let's
and
see.
Afraid survival stuff here.
See what it says.
It's
And
a
God.
Tamba key.
Oh, how cute. It was the Eagle Scouts that restored it.
It's pretty neat.
Nice and shady in there.
This is the best because there's a good part of any around. What do you think?
Yep. Let's get him off of that thing. Let him run. What is that? Is that a leaf? Go bring it to Dad.
Leaf.
He's trying to pet it.
Daniela. Just one more leaf.
Let's go play around the rest of the Arboretum. He has all this room to play around, and he just wants to put some leaves in the bench. Come on, let's go. You want to walk through it?
There he goes. Oh, there's a bridge coming. Oh no, it's sorry. Good, good. It's a nice lens.
So this area is the Crescent Farms area.
Uh-huh. Nice little area here, just kind of chill. Come on. Oh, he's following the bird. He's gonna follow the bird.
Go get the birdie before he flies away. That's silly. Oh, he flew away. Come on. You want to see the bird? Let's see. Let's go see if we can find him. Where'd he go? Yeah, where'd he go? That's a cool house, huh? That's the coach barn. Come on.
This is the coach barn.
You went to the top? Say hi.
Say
hi.
hello, anybody there? Knock. You gotta knock.
Are there any animals in the barn?
Like that. Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh? Come on. You want help? Come on. You get a little nervous going downhill, I know. It's okay. Look at how good you're doing.
Good job.
Very good, babe. Oh, you want to go back?
Good job. This kid. Go get him now.
Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. All done. You made it.
Yay! Good job.
Over here and see what's on this side now.
He just likes leaves. You gonna be a botanist, kid? Huh? Study leaves.
Yeah. It is so peaceful out here. It is still pretty packed today, but for the most part, as you're going through, you'll notice we don't run into that many people, so it's kind of nice. You get some of your physical distancing still, you're still safe. And we have Dad getting Lucas back on his backpack and ready to keep walking, and Lucas is not happy about it. Okay, so you are back at it with Lucas on your back?
Yeah.
Let's see how we do. For a little bit longer, because he is rubbing his eyes and ready to go to sleep.
Dad is pretty tired too, so.
And he missed his second nap, so we're going to try to keep him awake until bedtime. Well, look at that. And there's a little bench on this side. So you can just sit down and relax and enjoy the view.
Look at this.
It's over 4 acres.
Just the house or the whole Arboretum?
It says I think it's just all of the land. So it looks like we're getting closer to the ancient forest area, which is Robert's favorite.
The main reason why we got a family membership, really.
That was the main reason we got it, because this was his favorite area.
Okay.
Cycad Trail.
Watching
This we wouldn't have been able to do with the stroller, so it's kind of nice.
Get all the leaves falling back there, you see that?
See what's on this. Go around this way.
We go this way?
Yeah.
Now bar and milkshake. This is cool, I
Lucas, you having fun? Yeah, that does. It looks really pretty, but I can't imagine if one of those branches falls. It looks like a really fun climbing tree. It's like Forrest Gump when they sit on the right there and they like peas and carrots. Forrest Gump. That's what that reminds me of. You see the peacocks, Lucas? How pretty it is. And Lucas is very excited to see one again. Lucas, what is that? Are you trying to make a noise like the peacock? So as you can tell, this is empty right now. It's usually filled with water, so it's another fountain. Hopefully they'll fill it up and turn it on soon.
Yeah. It kind of
looks a little sad right now, but
afraid of people, as you can see.
no. And it looks like Lucas isn't really afraid of them either. Like how he's trying to mimic the noise. You see the bird? If you were confused, that wasn't the peacock making that noise, that's Robert making that noise.
It'd be cool if they like extended their plumage.
They only do that for certain situations, right? Is it like an attack thing, or?
I think it's to a mating
Or
thing.
mating.
Yeah, because those are the men. The men are the ones that are flashy. The women are just brown. They don't have all the flashy
I think
colors.
they only had like 1 or 2 female here that I've seen so far.
But they have some. We even saw the babies.
Yeah.
So is that like an amphitheater up there?
Oh, possibly.
Because they play like
Right over
summer
there.
concerts or something?
Well, they do have summer concerts out here. So maybe that's all the way back there. It looks like there might be an amphitheater. But even just out here in the open grass, they might have them out here because it's just a really big open space.
It would be nice.
There's 2 of them.
2 of them. 3 of them.
Wow. Well, that's the back.
You get the one in the front right here?
Yeah.
Look that. Oh, it's because that's where all the females are at, see? He's trying to be like,
Oh,
hey,
they're trying to look at the ladies over here.
here. He's like, let me show you my rear side.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Isn't that so cool? Look at how they move their butt.
Are you twerking?
He's twerking.
They're trying to get the females that are up there.
You hear how they like, oh look, she's getting, he's getting.
Oh, maybe we're, disrupting their adult time. Wow.
Seeing how it like,
The distance.
yeah, how like, and they can still have the ability to like fly for short distances too. Look how he like shakes them, like he vibrates his tail.
It sounds like a fan. Shake it off, shake it off. Hope he didn't want us to look. That is pretty neat.
Huh.
Of course, they're hidden back here behind the cafe. So we're gonna take a quick look into the cafe over here. And it's the Peacock Cafe. They have the physical distancing markings. Gotta wear your mask. Sanitation for employees only. And they have a actual entrance and exit. So nowhere to sit, but you could order food. It looks like it's all pre-packaged food. Hello. Sandwiches, salads. What was that?
Doesn't look too bad.
Some drinks, some ice cream. Hand sanitizer over there. And the exit. So you
Looks like
enter
they
in
have a
one
full
area.
kitchen, but with like a menu, but it looks like they don't have any food that they're preparing right now.
Yeah, it's all
because of COVID.
pre-prepared, packaged.
Nice little spot to maybe get a coffee or something.
Yeah.
Be nice. Okay, well, that about does it for our walk around the Arboretum today. We had a great time. Hopefully you guys did too. Got to see a little bit more today, and you know, hopefully we'll put most videos out when we come out here again. Anything you want
Did
to
you have fun, Lucas? He's ready for his nap, so
Yeah,
he had a
so
lot of
am I.
fun too.
I think we both are.
Yeah.
Alright, well toodles guys, have a good
Bye.
one. Bye.